What would be, few last guidance to the newbies who are entering? Those are really the aspiring data practitioners.
My advice to beginners would be start by discovering problems. First of all, look within, look to yourself. See what are the most important problems that are troubling you right now, and if they can be answered with data, and then collect that data. Discover a problem, and it has to be a problem that you really care about. Until you try and fix a problem that has been bothering you personally, you won't really understand what is at stake for most data science problems, right? So look within. That's the first source of problems, which can then be converted into fairly sophisticated projects. The second way of doing that is talk to your peers. Like, you have the advantage of being in the midst of a community where pretty much a lot of other people are having exactly the same problems as you. So leverage that community also, and there might be many people who are interested in exactly the same problems as you are. So this is how startups are made, in fact. Just find people who are interested in solving the same problems as you are. Talk to them and try and figure out, problem statements, or try to figure out problems to solve in general. And then go ahead, solve those problems. Do not worry too much about being able to understand everything. Let me tell you right now, that is not going to happen. Not now, not in 10 years, not in your lifetime. So, try to just get enough skills to be able to fix something, and then you can always come back, right? If you know that you need to acquire a particular skill in order to solve a very, very specific personal problem, there is no way that you will not learn. So that is indispensable. Talk to people, look within yourself, pick up problems, make a portfolio ultimately, and that makes you skilled. And because if your portfolio is well made, it makes easier for other people to evaluate you as well, which means that you will have better opportunities than most others. And, there are essentially these few pillars of this sort of a work: communication, content, and community. So leverage all three. Communicate a lot, talk to people, listen to them, find out what problems they are solving, tell them what problems you are solving, right? Secondly, have good content. And that is the portfolio part, right? Write about what you've done, maintain blogs, create content. Yeah. Pretty much all of us are content creators, right? So leverage that. There's content, there's communication, and there's the community. So all of three work together. You can leverage that to be a better professional.